Hey developers, welcome back to Codemaster Lab. Today we are diving into fundamental concept in CodeIgniter for namespace and the use keyword. Today I got a comment 8 hours ago, someone who has mentioned a comment saying like in CodeIgniter 4 how to create an access controller in subfolder. For example, controller folder name /php. Saifullah Moin. So if I'm sorry if I'm spelling your name wrongly, but I don't know who is this. He has not subscribed, is not my subscriber, and he has commented and again deleted his comment. So I don't know him, but the idea was good. So I want to make a video on this for you. I am creating this video. A namespace in PHP is a way to group related class together to avoid name conflicts. For example, in this, I have created one folder inside the code controller. Okay. There I have just dragged our welcome controller inside that. So now here what I will do, the namespace, if you can able to see, the namespace is common. They return as app controller. But when I test this in the URL, it will show 404 error. Okay, so it will not go into the subfolder and then it will not execute the welcome class. So here what we do in namespace, we tell there is we are located. Namespace is nothing but we are where we have located this file, where it is located. We'll tell the namespace that we are located inside a folder called subfolder, as I have created over here. This is how your namespace work. Next, now this class is extending something from base controller, right? Now base controller is present where it is present. It is present inside the controller, right? It is present inside the controller. So we use class from other namespace. That's why we use keyword comes in picture. We are using class from other namespace. That's where use keyword is coming into the picture. This makes easy to call the class without writing long namespace every time. Here I'll use app controllers and base controller, which is mentioned in our controllers folder itself. That's how here. The best practices are always define namespace at top of your PHP files. Use keyword statements to simplify the class calls. Follow CodeIgniter's folder structure to avoid these conflicts. Now you know how namespace and the use keywords work in CodeIgniter 4. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications for more CodeIgniter 4 tutorials. Check out our 0 to Hero playlist for more CodeIgniter 4 lessons. See you in next video.